How's it going, guys? Trader Neil here, back at you with another crypto video. Hope you guys like the new intro. I think it looks pretty clean and it's going to be a staple of the channel going forward. So if you guys have any feedback on it or if you liked it, tell me in the comments below. But anyways, today, guys, we're going to be talking about Ethereum. So it's been a while since I talked about Ethereum with you guys. The reason why I haven't mentioned it for a little bit and made a dedicated video to Ethereum has been because price action on it has been, let's just say, pretty lackluster. Up until now, I haven't really had much to say, but I am seeing a couple things on Ethereum's chart that's getting me pretty bullish for the next couple months. And I just wanted to address those things with you guys, check out the chart, and let you know what I think about Ethereum. But before we get started, guys, I would very much appreciate it if you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel at traderneil, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm telling you guys, we are literally 5 subscribers away as of right now, away from 3,000 subscribers. I'm so hyped, guys. We're so close to it, and I know we could hit it, honestly, by end of day today. So definitely hit that subscribe button for sure. Let's hit 3K, and yeah, I would very much appreciate it. All right, guys, so let us check out the Ethereum chart here first and foremost. First off, guys, today's trade idea on Ethereum, everything that I'm thinking about in terms of higher prices on ETH, these are all ideas. Everything that I'm looking for in terms of entries, stop losses, TPs, you guys are going to get an idea of where I'm looking to enter on Ethereum in this video. But if you guys want to know the exact entries I'm taking, where my stop losses is, and where I'm looking to TP on Ethereum, check out my partner, Champs Only. I've got a little video for you guys to talk about that. So check it out. I'll be right back. I just wanted to give a quick plug to Champs Only. Champs Only is a Discord group that I am part of as an analyst. In that group, give all of my personal trades with TPs, entries, stop losses, as well as my daily analysis. And winners win big in Champs Only with their meme coin calls every single day. Just some of the P&Ls on the screen right now. You guys can see that Champs Only is the place to be if you guys want to succeed in this market. If you guys want to join, I've got the link in the description below. Get started there, and I will see you guys in Champs Only. All right, back to the video. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Join the Champs Only community if you guys want to see me and interact with me every day directly and ask me questions. And let's go. Looking at Ethereum here on the daily chart. Here's my thing about Ethereum, guys. We are sitting above the value area high of this overall range at 3,300 here. And keep in mind that I'm using the Kraken chart up here, guys, top left. So your volume data might look a little different depending on, let's just say, like what exchange you're using to take trades on. But personally, I am looking at this on the Kraken chart, and Ethereum, to me, is looking pretty damn bullish, guys. The reason I say that is if you look at Ethereum here, you're above the value area high on the daily. Not only are you above the value area high, you are still holding the daily 200 moving average, which is here in yellow, and the daily 200 simple moving average, which is here in purple. Both are very, very important levels for me to see held during a bull trend. And what do I mean by that? Well, during bull trends on any coin on the daily chart, if I see the daily 200s being flipped, I'm going to be getting bullish on the charts. If I see those levels flip bearishly, it's really hard for me to be bullish on an asset and accumulate an asset or even trade it for swing longs to the upside while that asset is below these moving averages. So being above it right now is quite bullish on Ethereum for me. All right, so above that, above the value area high, and you do have a very bullish structure to me here, and this is the falling wedge. So seeing a falling wedge like this, guys, I do usually look at these as bullish patterns, and the way that I would be looking at like a measured move target is I take a, let's say, like in this case it's a trend line. You guys can also use here on Tradingview the price range tool to do the same thing, but I start at the top of the wedge and take it to the bottom of my supply line here, and I place it at my potential breakout point. So if Ethereum breaks out of this wedge here, this in itself would be my measured move, and it would be a 25% move to the upside. So that's one bullish structure here that I'm looking at Ethereum to corroborate the idea of higher prices here. Another thing that I'm looking at here, guys, is this potential 0.03 PO3, sorry, on Ethereum. So for my ICT traders out there, a PO3 is a structure that looks similar to this. So you have your initial distribution structure here. That's what you're seeing here on the left. Ethereum bouncing between these highs at 4,000 all the way down to these lows at 2,800. You lose those lows at 2,800, and then you have the manipulation area here. That's what this is down here in the summer range on Ethereum, where you have another range with highs around 2,700, lows around 2,300, and Ethereum was just bouncing between those levels. And the most important thing here, guys, is after your manipulation, you end up reclaiming your distribution lows here at 2,800. And that is what's happened here on Ethereum since November here. And this is where I would see and be looking for a markup phase next. And how would I decide where I'm looking for this markup phase to eventually target? Well, one thing that I'm looking at here on ETH is your previous all-time highs come in up here on Ethereum at 48.60 or so, right? Well, that is a good barometer for like a first take profit level if you're looking to swing an Ethereum trade. However, a big way that I'm personally looking to find like an overall target for this bull cycle is I use a trend-based fib extension here, guys. I will start at a high, which in this case will be previous all-time highs on ETH. I'll take that fib extension, take it to the lows here from the bear market in July of 2022 at 873. And then lastly, you have one more point here, guys. I'll put it right here at March highs here, and I'll pull it all the way to the side so that it can stretch across our chart. And there you have it. You have your fib extension plotted here, guys, with levels that give you ideas of potential support and resistance if Ethereum climbs higher in the future. This is really, really helpful, guys, to find potential support resistance areas besides the obvious psychological levels like $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, that sort of thing. I love using trend-based fibs for determining potential future price like this. And in this case, guys, the -6.6 and the -6.18 golden pocket fibs are huge for me. And in my opinion, that would be the big area of interest that I would have for looking at this PO3 to go to on Ethereum, is that level there. And from current price, guys, that would be 100% move or so on Ethereum. So that's one reason and one way that I'm looking at Ethereum going to higher prices. Another way is you actually do have this higher time frame sort of bullish pennant structure here in Ethereum, where you have, let's say at this point, 4 taps of your supply line here on Ethereum and 4 taps of your bottom line. And in terms of a measured move, I would be taking that from my highs up there to my lows of this pennant and placing that here at the end of my pennant. And guess what? Look at where exactly that target is as well. Right at the $7,000 level on Ethereum. So I've pretty much showed you guys now 3 different reasons for Ethereum to be bullish short term. You've got the PO3 for higher prices. You've got this bullish pennant for higher prices. And then you are above the daily 200 moving average and the value area high here. And locally on, let's just call it like lower time frames as well, guys, you have a bullish falling wedge structure here as well. So as often as Ethereum gets clowned, guys, for being such a weak asset and for being, you know, the weakest of all of the majors, considering Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, XRP, all of those coins, I will say and give it to Ethereum that overall, all in all, I do think that this goes higher in the future, but I do think in general, patience is going to really reward folks who are holding this asset and don't capitulate too early. So higher prices are what I'm expecting for ETH. Of course, I could be very wrong, but at the moment, I do think that we see higher prices on ETH, and these are the targets that I'm looking for. All right, guys. So I appreciate you guys staying till the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys stay till the end, I want you to put in the comment section below ETH, ETH. I think that's an easy one for you guys. I hope everyone has a fantastic weekend. Again, let's hit 3K subs today, guys. I know we can do it. This is Trader Neil signing out. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I'll catch you guys for another video very soon. All right, guys. Peace out.